anyone, feel free to come out and check out my new Ko-Fi page. A link is in the description below. And if you feel like just donating a little bit, you can do the $3 donation. Should be hot beverage while I'm out and about or something. If not, you can also do the $5 plan, which includes shout outs at the start of every video, and also early video access, and the $10 plan, which includes exclusive videos. Thank you all for supporting.
G'day everyone, it's James from James Jet Ventures, here today at Toongabbie station for another video. Got a Toongabbie approaching into platform number 4 for a Blacktown service. T41's leaving half. We'll stop at Seven Hills and Blacktown only. And T35 is the trailing half. Got a Waratah coming into platform number 1. It's just passing through, heading towards the city. I believe that was an empty service heading towards Clyde. Right, now we've got a Schofield service now arriving into platform number 4. It's stopping at Seven Hills, Blacktown, and then all stops to Schofields. A52 is the set. Oh, it's an express team plane service. Sorry, it is not an express, but it does not stop here. Stops next at Seven Hills, Blacktown, then all to Emu Plains. Anyway guys, next train to come through will be the one on platform number 2. It's the big one we've been waiting for this video. It's the Southern Aurora Train and come back from the 5-day trip Golden West Rail tour. Yeah, we'll come back through here, we'll proceed to Central and then terminate there tonight at around about 8 PM. And yeah, does its occasional tour runs out north and then over to the west. Anyway guys, I'll see you when this one comes through shortly. It's going to have 2 diesel locomotives in the front and 10 carriages, 10 Southern Aurora carriages on it. Thank you very much. See you shortly.